Copenhagen is often described as one of Europe's best cities. And with its rich culture, stunning architecture, amazing food, and great nightlife, it's easy to see why. The capital of Denmark, it sits on the coastal islands of Zealand and Amager and is also linked to the town of Malmö. Copenhagen's historic centre called Indre By is home to the 18th century Frederiksstaden district, which has the Royal Amalienborg Palace and the nearby Frederiks You can also visit the Renaissance-era Rosenborg Castle, surrounded by gardens and home to the crown jewels, and the National Gallery of Denmark, which collects Danish art from the 14th century to the present. To its north is Kastellet, a pentagonal fortress, and along the Langelinie Pier is the iconic Little Mermaid statue from the children's fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen. In the south lies the colourful 17th century waterfront at Nyhavn, as well as the King's New Square and the Charlottenburg Palace. Don't miss the 17th century round tower, an observatory with panoramic views of the city, and the Copenhagen Cathedral. Nearby is Strøget, one of the longest pedestrian shopping streets in Europe. The National Museum of Denmark has exhibits from around the world and lies next to Slotsholmen, a tiny island along the harbour that is home to the Christiansborg Palace, which is the seat of Danish Parliament. The Thorvaldsen Museum, dedicated to the art of Danish sculptor Bertel Thorvaldsen, the Royal Library, and Børsen, a 17th century stock exchange. Other popular attractions include the famous Tivoli amusement park, which dates back to 1843, and the new Carlsberg Glyptotek Museum that houses classical sculptures as well as Danish and French Impressionist art. The Frederiksborg Garden is home to the Borag Frederiksborg Palace and the Copenhagen Zoo. Just outside the city, you will find Bakken, which opened in 1583 and is the world's oldest operating amusement park. Nearby is the Deer Park, that is home to thousands of deer who live amongst ancient oak trees. And Frilandsmuseet, an open-air museum recreating Danish dwellings from the 1600s to the 1900s.